brand new, hindi nagagamit. So nangyari, nanghiram sila sa barangay.
Pero may alam ho ba ng ating kasamahan kung bakit hindi nagagamit? Wala ho bang driver? Wala ho bang gasolina? Ano ho bang, hindi ko ho kayang sagutin yung tanong na yon.
Yeah, thank you, Madam Sponsor, Mr. President. Sira daw po.
Sira ang ano? Ano ho
Ang
kaya?
ambulansya, hindi naman, yan.
Kasi may MOOE po yan eh. So kung sana mabigyan nyo tayo ng konting impormasyon, madali naman ho natin ma-verify, no? May karagdagan impormasyon ho ba
Siguro ang
tayo?
dapat mag-verify, Madam Sponsor, Mr. President, ay DSWD, hindi siguro ako yun. Hindi ko na siguro
Hindi, kayo ho
trabaho.
kasi ang nagbibigay ng info. So para
That's the info
masagot ko ng
being given
maayos,
to me.
nagtatanong lang po ako
Salamat
kung
po.
ano po ho ang kompletong information.
Huwag kang iiling-iling ikaw sa DSWD. Please, don't do that to me. Don't you ever do that, please. Let me show you a video of one of the government run or picture of government run home for the aged. I think this is the Graces, kung tawagin. That's it. Medyo maayos naman tingnan, pero meron atang ambulansya dyan na 3 years na hindi nagagamit. So, ayan. There's that ambulance, okay naman, bago pa, wala pang ang plaka, pero hindi nagagamit. Bakit, Mr. President, Madam Sponsor? Sayang naman. Bumili tayo ng ambulansya na hindi naman nagagamit.
Wala po tayong information regarding a particular ambulance. If his
Okay. Brand new, hindi nagagamit. So nangyari, nanghiram sila sa barangay.
pero may alam ho ba ng ating kasamahan kung bakit hindi nagagamit? Wala ho bang driver? Wala ho bang gasolina? Ano ho bang, hindi ko ho kayang sagutin yung tanong na yon.
Yeah, thank you, Madam Sponsor, Mr. President. Sira daw po.
Sira ang ano? Ano ho
Ang
kaya?
ambulansya, hindi naman, yan.
Kasi may MOOE po yan eh. So kung sana mabigyan nyo tayo ng konting impormasyon, madali naman ho natin ma-verify, no? May karagdagan impormasyon ho ba
Siguro ang
tayo?
dapat mag-verify, Madam Sponsor, Mr. President, ay DSWD, hindi siguro ako yun. Hindi ko na siguro
Hindi, kayo ho
trabaho.
kasi ang nagbibigay ng info. So para
That's the info
masagot ko ng
being given
maayos,
to me.
nagtatanong lang po ako
Salamat
kung
po.
ano po ho ang kompletong information.
Yan nga po, sira nga po, hindi nagagamit. Now, kung bakit sira, then it's up to the DSWD to ask Graces kung ano yung sira para ipaparepair kung kailangan pa-repair. It's not for me to know exactly kung yan ba ay sira dahil kulang sa pyesa, kung yan ba ay dahil butas yung gasolinador, etc. etc. It's not for me
Nagtatanong
anymore.
lang po sir para mapabilis ang ating diskusyon kasi baka may added information. Pero since wala, pinapasa na ho natin sa DSWD. They will find out and
Thank
we
you,
will
Madam
let you know,
Sponsor.
Mr. President.
Yun nga po, sira. So siguro, DSWD people, Madam Sponsor, Mr. President, can call Graces and tanungin kung ano yung sira doon. Kasi the information was
It will
given
be
to
done,
us
Mr.
only sira.
President.
Thank you. Thank you. Now, magkano po yung budget per person yung run by the government para sa home for the aged, especially sa meals, Mr. President?
What is the question?
How much yung budget per head? And I'm referring sa meals.
For dito po sa mga
Sa
homes
home for the
natin.
aged.
Okay. 500 per day. 500 pesos per day, Mr. President.
500 per day. I think 450, that's 400 times 500.
500 sounds good. That sounds very good. Pero yung sa Graces, nagtanong kami is 275 pesos.
Pwede yung malaman
Kasama
kung
na.
sino ho ang nagsabi noon para ma-check natin. Sino ho doon? Sino ang kausap?
Tama nga. Dapat sabihin is 450. Tama nga. Pero ano siya? Ano niya? Center head ng Graces, Mr. Arnel Bautista Mr. President.
Mr. President, this is the latest information we have, that the latest numbers coming from DSWD. For food, it is 200 pesos. Then there's a transportation allowance of 100, accommodation 100, daily maintenance medicine is 50 pesos. So the total is 450, not 500? Sorry, this is PWD yung binabasa ko.
PWD eh.
Okay, so to be clear, ang Graces po kasi is a PWD center. So the budget there is 450.
275, Mr. President,
Sorry, older person yun.
per person. Ang pinag-usapan natin. Arnel Bautista, Center Head. Center Head, Arnel Bautista. And we were there 2 weeks ago lang, Mr. President, November 12.
Okay. So sige. Okay, sige, I'll clarify that, Mr. President. Nandyan po sa Grace ay mga older persons and their budget is 500 pesos. 200 for food, ang non-food nila is 300. Yeah, so that's a total of 500, but they also received this.
Yeah.
So, no, it's not a breakdown, it's additional.
It's additional.
What? That's the breakdown, 85 plus 15 plus 50 is not.
This is on top. Hindi. Ano to?
Is the fruit. The,
Sorry kasi page 1 lang yung pinakita sa akin kaya hindi nag-add up yung numbers. Ulitin ko po. For the older persons, the budget is 500 pesos. And the food is, of that, 200 is food and 300 is non-food. Health, social, livelihood, etc. Yung mga pangangailangan nila, toiletries, linen, clothing, etc.
Thank you for that answer, Madam Sponsor, Mr. President. Yung 275, Mr. President, hindi po yan ay galing sa amin. Yan po ay galing kay Mr. Arnel Bautista, yung center head. November 12, nandun kami. Binigyan niya sa amin yung listahan yan. 175 for food, 50 for medication, 50 for home life, total of 275 for old persons, Mr. President. So, hindi magkakatugma po sa sinasabi ng DSWD at saka sinasabi po ni Mr. Bautista.
Mr. President, they will speak with Mr. Arnel because they understand that you received this from him, but they also have the updated numbers that I had read into the record. So they will confer with him on this, Mr. President.
Thank you.
And I also have a report for His Honor's information on the ambulance, Mr. President. Ito lang October nasira and for procurement po ang parts na kailangan for the repair.
Okay. Well, thank you. I'm not going to argue with on that anymore, Mr. President, but I was informed years na po nakatenga lang. So, hindi magkakatugma-tugma. Huwag kang iling-iling ikaw sa DSWD. Please, don't do that to me. Don't you ever do that, please. Huwag kang iling-iling ikaw. Ayaw kang umiiling-iling ka habang nagsalita ako. That's very disrespectful of you. Anyway, sige, paparepair, okay na yun kasi nanghihiram tayo sa barangay. Now, meron pong wish list. Isasubmit ko lang siguro kasi marami po siya eh. Wish list ng Graces. Nakapos daw po sila. Hindi raw po enough yung budget na nakakarating sa kanila. Ibibigay ko lang sa inyo para hindi na tayo humaba pa. Kasi, of course, the SWD will deny this. But
Gusto natin makita, Mr. President. Thank you.
yeah, we'll give it to you later.
Maybe we can ask the page. Pwede pa. Thank you.
So maybe yung iba pang mga home for the aged, mabisita siguro ng DSWD para matingnan kung ano mga pangangailangan nila, kung ano yung mga kulang, kung ano yung mga pwede pang maibigay, etc. etc. Kasi kung hindi sila nabibisita, then hindi natin malalaman kung ano yung problema nila. So siguro paying them a visit will be good para ma-address kung ano man yung mga issue doon sa mga home for the aged na yun. And then lastly, sana madagdagan pa itong mga home for the aged natin nationwide. Kulang ata yung 4. So anong nangyari po kasi, meron yung mga run by NGOs and then humingi ng mga donations. Yung iba, accredited or not, ginagawa ng parang racket para kumita. Tapos yun na nga, tulad sa Bukidnon, hingi ng donation and then nagpapatakbo sila ng home for the aged para pagkakitaan. So siguro dagdagan ng DSWD yung home for the aged nationwide. Kulang po ata yung 4 if you ask me. I think siguro bawat region maglagay tayo, Mr. President, Madam Sponsor.
Those recommendations are well taken, Mr. President.
Thank you. Thank you. Support for children with disabilities, especially to mga children with Down syndrome, cerebral palsy, autism, hearing impairment, visual impairment, speech language disorder, orthopedic, ADHD. Anong klaseng ayuda or program meron po tayo para sa mga children with disabilities, Mr. President, Madam Sponsor?
Mr. President, the National Council for Disability Affairs has a number of programs. Obviously, it's primarily aimed to support persons with disabilities, to provide them with access to health, education, and employment opportunities. So these services include medical and financial support, assistive devices, and livelihood support. The NCDA also coordinates with other government agencies and private companies to assist persons with disabilities in finding employment, livelihood, transportation, and education. To support this, of course, they need to collect the data, and then they have capacity building, they have advocacy activities, and direct support to persons with disabilities.
Thank you, Madam Sponsor. Magkano po yung budget, financial assistance na ibinibigay sa bawat bata na afflicted by said disabilities?
Oo.
Let's say autism, kasi napakamahal po magastos yung bata na may autism, ang laking gastos dyan. So gusto ko lang malaman per month, how much yung ibinibigay?
We don't have that kind of program, Mr. President, yung per month. Wala pa tayong ganyang program. What we do have are what we have is the developmental assistance, rehabilitation, empowerment for children with disability caravan. It's called the DARE program. And this is a community-based inclusive development strategy that the intention is to bridge the gaps in accessing developmental assessment for these children with disabilities. So they go to areas and with different professionals to provide these kind of services. So my response to His Honor's specific question would be based on my understanding also of the DOH budget, and that is if there are specific needs like na hospital yan, whatever those medical interventions are, then PhilHealth also has a budget for that, Mr. President.
Thank you, Madam Sponsor.